Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to share Canva websites step by step. So if you want to send your Canva website to clients, friends, customers, or social media audiences, yeah, this guide will help you share it quickly and professionally. First, open Canva in your browser and go to your website project from the dashboard. Before sharing anything, make sure the website is fully updated and ready to go live. Now click the Publish Website button in the top right corner, so Canva will prepare the website for sharing online. Next, choose whether you want to use a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain name. Custom domains usually look more professional for businesses. Once your settings look good, click Publish to make the website live online. Canva may take a few moments to process the site. After publishing, Canva will generate a website link you can copy and share anywhere, so just click the Copy Link button. One quick tip, you can even turn your Canva website link into a QR code for business cards, flyers, or presentations, so people can open the site instantly from their phones. And that's basically how to share Canva websites from start to finish. After publishing properly, your website will be much easier to share with clients, audiences, or team members online.